you are?
Yeah, they're just kind of like, ah. Where did everybody go?
I'm down there on the tube.
I can't believe it's yogurt. Ah.
Yogurt.
Hey, you should pick the food. I wonder if it'll get close enough. Oh no, it won't get close enough. She's naked. Nuh-uh. I know. Hi, Lynn.
I'm gonna go for the gate now. Ow!
Good for you. I'm gonna go shopping or whatever. Shopping.
Why? What are you gonna get?
Nothing.
What up?
Junk.
Throw my sign.
Can I have my case back? I'm gonna walk around.
Okay.
Hey. I'm glad you want to be gangster.